Okay, in this video, I'll be opening one of these suckers. It comes with these two things, this training mat thing, another one, and then just a paper. I'll let you can pause and read it if you want. Sorry about the glare. And then it comes with this box, this, then these things. So let's get started. So right off the bat, we got a Pikachu, we got an Energy, we got a Electrike, we got a Glameow, got a Blitzle, got a Electivire, Purugly. Then we got Electabuzz, got a Manectric. Ooh, that's one of my favorite cards. We got a Potion, got a Tierno, got another Purugly, got another Energy, electric Energy again. Then we got a Fletchling, Electabuzz, another Pikachu, Labrie. Then we got another Electrike, Blitzle, Electrike, Energy, Talio, another Energy, then we got a Electivire, and then more Electric, and then we got a Glameow. Okay, I am back. So, right off the bat, we got a Suicune. This is a legendary, or was at one point in time. A Tierno, a Water Energy, a Swanna, Goldeen, Seaking, Ducklet, Froakie, Water, Frogadier, another Tierno, another Water Energy, Swanna, Water, Piplup, Potion, Suicune, Goldeen, Seaking, Froakie, Water, Ducklet, Frogadier, Water, Eevee, Water. Thanks for watching. See you next time, YouTube. Peace out.